Hello, I'm Gabe Prater with GeoProbe Systems, and I'm here today to show you a few methods of breaking through concrete or asphalt with our direct push hammers. So the three methods that I have to show you today are our solid drive points, our pavement penetrator system, and our concrete coring swivel. So the first system here is the simplest, the fastest to use, and that's just our solid drive point. So we have different options of these for our different rod sizes, and all you do is thread these onto the bottom of your rod, add your drive cap on top, and then you'll use your direct push hammer to just break up the concrete with that solid steel point. The second option, which is a little bit stronger and also uses the rotation of the hammer on machines equipped with rotation, is our pavement penetrator system. Now, this system takes a little bit longer to set up, but I'll show you how to do that here. So, first thing we'll have to do is remove our retainer cap and our hex anvil from our hammer, and you do that by removing this little O-ring here, and then rotating the cap until it drops out, and then the hex anvil should drop out with that. And then I'll replace those parts with my drive steel anvil and my heavy duty retainer cap. Just like so. Once that's done, that anvil is actually threaded, so we can grab our drill steel here and thread it up into that anvil. With these drill steel drive caps here, we actually ship a penny. The penny is to ride on top of the drill steel and prevent fines from going up into the hammer. So I'll go ahead and thread that on now. Lastly, you'll have to connect your bit. We have a couple of different size options for these bits, ranging from 2.5 inches to 4 inches. So you'll just thread that onto the bottom of your drill string. And then that's the fully assembled pavement penetrator system. And now you can use your hammer action and your hammer rotation to turn and break through the concrete. So the last system I have to show you today is our concrete coring swivel for the GH60 hammer. So once again, you'll start by removing your hex anvil and your retainer cap. And then you will take your water swivel here, drop the retainer cap onto the swivel, and then add your water swivel hex adapter. And then you'll have to pin that whole assembly together using one of these concrete coring spring clips, which fits right into the notches. And then it's hammered on there. Now that we have our spring clip assembled, we can go ahead and lift this whole assembly up into our hammer here. So just the same as dropping the other anvils in. You need to rotate your hex until it lines up. Turn your retainer cap. And that's your water swivel assembled. And then you can connect your extension and whatever diameter of bit you want. And this water swivel just has a standard garden hose fitting on it for easy access. With these three methods I've showed you today, you can easily and effectively get through asphalt or concrete to sample underneath. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call us at 785-825-1842.